Good morning, everyone. Darius Dale here to present our macro minute for Wednesday, November 10th, 2021. Starting with markets, we got stocks down, commodities down, crypto down on the dollar up move. We have global bond yields up, 10-year treasury yield up 5 basis points ahead of today's October CPI release out of the U.S. economy. Bloomberg consensus expects 5.9%. That'd be a fresh cycle high. Big movers today. We got nat gas, Bitcoin, and Ethereum all down around 2% thereabouts. On the economic front, we have more evidence of peaking US PPI. Headline came in unchanged at 8.6% in October. The core came in unchanged at 6.8%. As well. No evidence of peaking CPI in China yet, though. We got headline at 13.5% in October. That's the highest number we've seen since June of 1995. Manufacturing came in at 10.8%. That's the highest print we've seen ever in that time series. With CPI data, October CPI out of China, core CPI, food CPI, they all ticked up to the highest rates since September of last year, January of last year, and June of this year, respectively. Chinese October credit data, we got that this morning. They were marginally confirming of our view that the Chinese economy isn't bottoming anytime soon. We had total social financing ticked down to 1.6 trillion month over month. That's the lowest print we've seen since July. Total loans of financial institutions, which is I think is the most relevant metric to track, given that 80+% of all private non-financial sector credit in the Chinese economy is on bank balance sheet. Taking it to the chart, you look at where we are here, basically unchanged at 11.9% in October. Going all the way back, you can draw a line back to 2002 to see levels of Chinese credit creation at this level. So they're very serious about this common prosperity initiative, very serious about maintaining neutral monetary policy and deleveraging the property sector. So take that very seriously. Overbought, oversold this morning at VIX, oversold nat gas, the Aussie dollar, the dollar relative to the Brazilian real. And then again, same thing with global bond yields the last few days, 10-year Bund yield, 10-year JGB yield, 10-year Swiss yield, 10-year gilt yield, 10-year treasury yield, and 30-year treasury yield, all still oversold, even though we're seeing some uptick this morning. Today's risk reward setup, finally a fair fight in the S&P 500, 1.8% downside versus 1.3% upside. WTI 7.4% downside versus 5% upside. Bloomberg dollar index minus 0.7% downside versus 1% upside. And again, you saw at the lower boundary of the 10-year treasury yield's probable range with 29 basis points of upside. So with that, Darius Dale here presenting our macro minute for Wednesday, November 10th, 2021. Best of luck out there today.